All right, guys. I mean, we're only 24 hours in here, but I'm going to pop these keys off and put on my other Keychron keys here. These are the Hacker Mint variety. Got all those. We've got some different color mint here. Do these F keys, and then look at all those different size space bars that we've got. So we've got one for everybody, right? Let me make sure before I pop these off. Pop off. Again, I guess I don't really need to be doing this on day 2 here, but you know, I'm not 100% that I'm going to keep this keyboard. Just in the first day since I've been using it, I find that I use the B right here. This is where I want to go for B. So I use Y, H, and B right here with my, so I have a hard time. No, I mean, I can relearn that, but I'll show you a picture of the Alice layout keyboards. On Alice layout, it's a single board, right? It's not as ergonomic as something that you can totally split apart and use independently, but you can see that there's a B on both sides, right? So either way, remember what finger you use for B, you're going to get what you need. So I might swap this out for one of those Alice layouts. I like having all this stuff, having the dedicated buttons for the controls. I didn't realize that that was kind of beneficial, especially as I start doing some video editing here. I might prefer to get one of these here. But if I remember correctly, they actually do have one of these at my Micro Center. So I could swap this out for that and get a little bit of money back, maybe even get myself another keyboard that I don't need, or something else. I don't know. What else? What else is there, right? case you were wondering how I was doing all that, I was using this as reference, but I was also using this page here from the website, kind of giving me a map of the size of the keys, because I wasn't 100% on these, and then this shift is a little bit different than most shifts on this side. It should be just a little bit bigger, but it doesn't have stabilizers on this one, so it just has to be that. You can see there's a couple different page up, page down options, and insert and delete. I chose this F8 key here because of all the function keys, I think I use that one the most for play and pause when I'm watching or doing something. I know this is volume up and volume down over here, so it's just nice to go boom, boom. I know I got that. And then I don't really use much other shortcuts over here. These I have not customized yet. I don't like that. I'm going to change that. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to do like copy, paste, maybe cut, copy, paste. Ooh, yeah, cut, copy, paste. And then maybe another 2 shortcuts from DaVinci to help me do things a little bit more quickly. But yeah, other than that, I'll be sure to let you know how things work out with this. Let's see, what do you think about this instead? That way we've got, yeah, okay. Let's plug this in. Plug this in. Put this away. I wonder where that piece of plastic went. Maybe it's underneath. It's fine. It's away. Okay. So we'll check things out a little bit more. Maybe we'll try some pictures at night and see what this looks like. But I am pretty pleased with this. How do I change? Yeah. Function Q. Function Q. Okay. Well, thanks for checking this out. I guess I should do a typing test, right? I'm going to do a typing test. Thanks, John, Mr. Disabletron, for letting me borrow this. Turn this on here. Portable digital recorder. Okay, test. Okay. Move these out of here. Put this here. Where's my wrist rest? It's gonna be dark. Oh, I messed up. Why didn't you guys tell me that? Okay. At B. "49 words a minute." Let's try one more. "51 words a minute that time." Okay. Well, there we go. Thanks again. Stop that. Let me know if you have any questions. No one has any questions. You guys know what you're doing here. Like, subscribe, comment. I love activity. Activity, activity, activity.